Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show how to hide Instagram following and following list as well in 2022. So the first thing that we have to do is we have to go to these three lines in the upper right corner. Then we can go to settings. And then from settings, we can go to privacy. And here what we can do is we can do a couple of things, right? You can click on private account. That will make your account private. And as you can see, business accounts can be private. So make sure that your account is not a business account, right? Then, we obviously have to switch back to personal to do this, but this will hide your following and following lists, right? It will hide your followers as well. Now, if you want to restrict a certain person, right, or a single person, what you can do is you can scroll down here. You can go to restricted accounts, you can click continue, and then you can search for accounts that you want to restrict, right? For example, I can go and type in the account, I can go and click restrict, and that will restrict the account, right? Now, if we want to, for example, remove a follower, right, we can go to our followers list right here, and we can just click on a remove follower right here, and that will remove the follower. But that's pretty much it. So, this is how to hide Instagram followers and following list as well. The best and the fastest possible way is to just go private, right? Now, I hope this video again help you out with hiding your Instagram followers and following list. And if you want more videos like this, leave a comment down below, and yeah, of course, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.